When is it? When is the club festival? It's on June 8th, let's go. Can you come to the festival? Of course I'm ready to show. When is the piano concert? That's May 14th, oh yeah. When is the birthday party? June 22nd, be there. I'll be world. January, February, March, April, May and June, we're feeling playful. July, August, September too. So many things we love to do. When is the dance contest? July 5th, we'll groove on Metha. When is the drone festival? August 1st, so smooth. When is the school market? September 10th, come shop. Sorry, I can't, maybe next time, but the fun will never stop.